Folks, there weren't many of these made. You are looking at a 2021 Jeep Cherokee High Altitude in bright white. It comes equipped with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, the high altitude package, so all of the options will be blacked out gloss, the wheels very sharp looking, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote start system, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, 33,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, rear backup system, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, a dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate. It comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, so it's great on gas as well and highly capable. Come and look at this. Please visit us at marinocjd.com. Search stock number 47670A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.